Sir, who appeared on behalf of the respondent and the petitioners?
For the bills pending, bill pendings and for the village committee election. For village committee election, on behalf of the petitioner, Mr. Gopal Narayanan appeared on behalf of the petitioner, that is Maharashtra Pradesh, and on behalf of the TDDC, I myself appeared on behalf of TDDC. And for the State Election Commission and the rest of the respondent, that is the State Election Commission, State Government, Union of India, learned Attorney General Mr. Venkatramani appeared on behalf of the respondents. For TDDC I have appeared, and for the bills pending, just Mr. Divan, senior advocate, appeared on behalf of the petitioner, and none appeared because today is the first day for the admission stage, so none appeared on behalf of the respondents in the matter related to bills pending. Thank you.
So today we heard that there were two matters listed in the Supreme Court regarding TTADC. Can you give us the details or latest update on those cases?
Yes, sir. Yes, there are two matters are being listed today in the court number 14, headed by Justice Manoj Mishra and Justice Manmohan. The matters are related. One matter is related with the village committee election, and second matter is the pending of bills of TTADC, which are now lying pending with the state government. So these matters are being listed today. And number one matter regarding BC election matter, today Supreme Court accepted the affidavit submitted by the State Election Commission. In their affidavit, State Election Commission have mentioned that they submitted their schedule of the village committee election, and they have in their affidavit that they will complete the process, including the declaration of result by end of June 2026. That is the last week. By last week of June 2026, they will complete the process, including the declaration of the result of the village committee election. Then the court accepted. And second issue is that regarding the pending of the bills, this matter has been listed in the court number 14, and the court admitted the writ petition filed by the TTADC regarding the pending of bills. And this matter accepted, so now court will send a notice to the respondents. Regarding BC election matter, this matter again listed on 20 May 2026. So now the BC election will be done under the supervision of the Honorable Apex Court.